What's up, Team TBABY? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? Guys, today has been an eventful day already. Oh, there is something in my eye. Okay. Today has been an eventful day already, of course, as a first-time mom. So I have my little man right here, so if you start to hear some fussing, he might be in the video today. But anyways, we're going to be doing a cleanup. I moved into another house. I just swear, I think I moved like 3 times already within this past like year and a half. But yeah, and obviously as being a mom, things get messy. I am doing it by myself during the day while his dad is obviously working, and I work from home and run my business from home. So nonetheless, I'm over here trying to get everything done, run errands with him, run around with him, eat, do all the things. Anyways, we're getting adjusted. We're 4 months in and we're still just getting adjusted. We're doing the thing, okay? So, so far I worked out today, showered, and starving, but I need to clean up a bit. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. If you guys happen to like these videos of kind of like a, whatever you want to call it, ASMR, or like clean with me, or just a clean with me, I don't know. Let me know if you like these videos. If you do, comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate all of your guys' support throughout these years, and now is into my mom life. And now we're moving into a new chapter, into this new home. So he's just staring at me like, Mom, what are you doing? I'm doing YouTube right now. We have a YouTube squad right here. One day this little man's gonna be famous, I swear. He is so stinking handsome. Maybe I'll get him on the camera. And he has such a big personality for only 4 months, but things, what? He's like, Mom, who are you talking to? Okay, so anyways, yeah, we need to clean up, we need to do some laundry, we need to do some things around here because Mama likes a clean house, a clean space, so let's get going. You guys, I'm obsessed with my new filter. I had to share with you guys because I'm literally usually always holding Roman, so I needed a new filter that can just press and go, fill up my cup while I'm cleaning. This one is from WATERDROP. I think I have shared this company with you guys before, but if I haven't, literally you need one of these in your life. So the filter goes through here, through this bracket right here. All you need to do is put in your sink water, which you guys, if you live in California, you know you don't want to drink the sink water here because I would not trust it. Whew, good Lord. But anyways, you can keep it in the fridge or outside the fridge. I like mine in the fridge because I prefer my water cold. And then how you know if you need a new filter is blue drop will turn red. So right now it's blue, and all you do is place your cup under, press it once and then press it again for your water to come out, and it just fills up. It's so easy and convenient, but I just love how, like, first of all, it's aesthetically pleasing. So I had to get something that goes good with my new kitchen here. So I chose the white one. But I love how it has the handle, so like you can literally take it with you places, and it's not too heavy, so like if you have wrist problems or something. But I love how you could just like take it with you, take it to the fridge, take it on a picnic. Where are we going? Yeah, girl, this is like those memes with the girls with their Stanley cups right here. This is me with my new Stanley cup. But yeah, it's great for like if you're having a party and you want to be like that bougie friend and you have like your water filter like hanging off of the counter like this, and you just tap to get your water. I'm sorry, I have to be extra, so I needed to get this. But as you guys know, I always hook you up, so my links are in the description. And a big shout out to WATERDROP because they hooked your girl up, so I can hook you guys up. So yeah, this is like my new favorite filter. I had to show you, and like I said, I have been having issues with the faucet water here filtering with like my other filters, so I needed something that was like a triple filtration, and this one, literally you don't have to wait for it to filter. You just put the water in here, you close it, and when you first get it though, you want to make sure you filter out that first batch of water, and then once you do that, you're good to go. You could drink the next batch, you put it in, and I like to keep mine in the fridge. Look at that bad boy, it just sits right there. And I can also just place my cup when I have Roman in my hands, and I just press it, and voila. You guys, it's so cool. Oh my god, I was so excited to share it with you guys. I hope that you think it's just as cool as I do. Okay, anyways, that was your daily reminder to drink your water, and that was just a little insert. Now, let's get back to cleaning, girlfriend. Mama has hair every... Okay, so little Roman had to be in the video. Say hi, Roman, because he was not liking the vacuum. But anyways, as I was cleaning up, we also got this new blanket that goes on our bed, but I have it out here right now because I've been keeping it on the couch since I have a lot of blankets in there, but it's been helping me sleep so much when I use it that I'm gonna put it back in my bed because this is a weighted blanket. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one, but I can't carry it from the couch to the bed with him in my arms. So we're gonna set him here so I can show you guys. I got this. Let's show them. Ooh, it's so heavy. He loves it even when we sleep on it together. Look, show everybody your new blanket. I got, oh, okay, well, he wants to do tummy time. So it's a white plush weighted blanket. It's literally like 15 pounds I think I got. But I've been keeping it on the couch while we're out here right now. But when I sleep with it, you guys, it helps with sleep, anxiety, so many things that a weighted blanket is good for. I never knew until I did more research and I found out about it, and I saw this company, which I'll leave their link in the description of their name, Uttermara. But like I said, it helps with sleep, anxiety, so many things. You can get like all different colors. They have tons of different colors, but my vibe of my new house, as you guys can see right now, is like white, black aesthetic type. So I am keeping it with white, and it goes with my black couch because I like that like offset look. So yeah, I wanted to share this with you if anybody is having any kind of like sleepless nights, anxiety, and now that it's winter, it's been so cold, so like what a perfect time. But as I'm cleaning, I just want to share that with you. I'm gonna go put it back on my bed so you can see like what it looks like spread out. And I am getting a new bigger bed soon. I used to have a California King, but when we moved into our house initially here, before we got this bigger spot, I didn't have room for a California King, so now it's just like a regular, I think, king size or queen. And so I'm gonna get my Cali King back, so I'm gonna need to get like 2 of these. But it has these like beads in here, which is what makes it like weighted. So you don't want to wash that in your washer. You want to take it to like the laundromat, because I'm not going to put mine in there. I'm going to make sure I get it like professionally dry cleaned, because I don't want to break my new washer and dryer. But let's go, as I'm cleaning up the couch, let's go bring it into the room and let me show you what it looks like over there. Like a big bed, it covers pretty much the whole bed. It's so beautiful though. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, you can get whatever color you want. Like I said, I just decided to get this color because, excuse me, mister, because I love the, first of all, this material, and then the white, oops, it's sticking, the soft that goes on the inside when you're sleeping, and then the white on my black and gray. Hey, I'm trying to make a video. Want to say bye to everybody? Say bye. Bye. Alright you guys, I hope you liked this video. Roman is getting fussy. It's time for him to eat, so I gotta finish cleaning later. But if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more. I'm gonna be posting a lot more content. It's just, you kind of see the gist of why it takes me a little bit longer to get things uploaded. But yeah, and the links for the things I showed you will be in the description, because Christmas is coming and they're just really cool gifts and things that I have enjoyed and loved in my new house, so I wanted to share with you. Anyways, we'll see y'all soon, and we love you, team